A UTC is different to a normal educational establishment. We are here to treat our students as individuals, as adults, and almost as though they're on an apprenticeship.
A UTC is the best place you can go if you have got a desire to become somebody technical in the engineering world.
I hope to go into mechatronics. Currently this school is the only school in the UK doing a mechatronics course. Purely because of that, I think that this school will help me a lot in the future.
We do a lot of projects, so you have a lot of teamwork skills and actually applying what you're learning in your maths and your physics, which is something that you don't tend to do at a normal school.
You've got the facilities that are above and beyond anything any school would have. You've got the teachers that are above and beyond, and we've just got that technical knowledge that isn't there in mainstream education.
We have high standards, we expect them to achieve and excel, but also in terms of offering them a wide range of access to not only great equipment, but also employers that are very keen to see their development and be involved in their development and work with us in terms of what we deliver as a curriculum.
I'd like to apply the knowledge that I've learned to create new products and be part of the new inventions that are going to take place with the changing technology in the next few years.
Apprenticeship does engineering apprentices for 16-year-olds upwards in mechanical engineering and electrical engineering.
I start teaching at 8:30. I teach maths, I teach mechanical principles.
Coming to Apprenticeship helps me. You just learn everything what you need to know, and it is really useful. I've learned a lot of communication skills. Before I was really nervous, but now after coming here, it's a big confidence boost. It helps you a lot.
The best part was being in class with the students, actually teaching. Watching the penny drop is fantastic.
I wanted to work in engineering because it's a wide area, so there's a lot of different areas you can go into, so you can always progress and learn new things in engineering.
It sets me up perfect for what I want to do when I finish. I want to go into train driving, even working on railways. But you can go anywhere. I could go work in Australia, same as America, Canada, you can take it anywhere.
I'm a level 2 weaving apprentice. I work for Burberry, which is based in Keighley. I've got a mill there. There's 3 of us all together, so we come over here every few weeks and do sessions on all sorts of different things, from fibre technology to theories behind weaving.
The skills that I've picked up since I've started here will mainly be learning how to use an industrial sewing machine, and also what I'm going to be learning to do is learning to use the overlocker, steaming equipment for suits and stuff. I'd definitely look at doing an apprenticeship, especially in the textiles industry, because you're not going to get bored, you're earning while you're learning.
The end result as well is, you know, being an expert and being someone who's going to be at the cutting edge of textiles and the cutting edge of what's happening. There's a lot of scope for advancement.
So much to learn, and everything's so different. Like, manufacturing cloth is so much different to actually designing a suit kind of thing, and there's just such a big open door for me, and can't wait to learn more.
The reason I chose a degree is because in my line of work, a degree is how you want to excel in the industry.
I'd done A-levels previously and I really enjoyed exams and studying through revision and learning, so I just thought instead of doing an apprenticeship, university would be the best method for me to learn and get the most out of my learning experience.
The best part about doing engineering is just the diversity of it all. One minute you're looking at a car engine and how that runs, and next minute you go in to see how a drone flies and you're actually building the drone yourself. It's just engineering has so many aspects and disciplines that you can go down, and basically you can choose whichever one's best for you.
I really enjoyed, like, in the lectures you learn about all the theory behind it, and then you'll go into a lab and you actually see it like in the real world and how it's used, and then you go out on placement or into a company and again you use everything that you've learnt.
In 5 years' time I hope to be a chartered engineer, which means you're recognised as one of the highest qualified engineers with a CN status.
I would quite like to go into a graduate programme once I finish next summer, and that would either be like a design engineer or into the energy business, so into renewable energy, which I find really fascinating.
I work for Cummins Turbo and come to college at Kirklees Engineering Centre. From an early age I've really had a passion for engineering.
My dad's an engineer, so when I was young I could go to his work, seeing how some of the stuff works, like the production of a part from being a drawing, and I thought it was quite interesting how it was done, and I'd like to learn how to do that myself.
I did sixth form before this, and when I came from sixth form, at the end of it I didn't really have any idea what I was doing or what I was going to do afterwards. I mean, I had uni, but I didn't want the uni debts, so I went online and just looked on the Kirklees College website and found engineering courses, and the general engineering one was the best one for me because it had a bit of everything in it.
I'd say you get the hands-on skills that you need. In college we've done milling, turning, and we're doing fitting now, so you get the aspects of all three. So then when you get to company you'll have a better idea. You're more skilled and you're not just being let onto machines when you've not had any training.
In 5 years I don't really know what I see myself doing. I just want to be a really good engineer and making good products, being an actual really good quality engineer.